All right, this video is going to go over question number 4 from homework 7.5, and our goal here is to solve. Probably the trickiest part here is we've got to deal with this times 2 in the front. All right, and there's a couple ways to deal with it. One is you could move it up and make it an exponent using the exponent rule, so you'd have x squared. However, the easiest way is, since it's a times 2, just divide both sides by 2. All right, so I'm going to start by dividing by 2. And basically, we're isolating the log in this first step. All right, so divide by 2, I'm writing it as a decimal. And then on all of these questions, you got to switch the form. So now that we have the log alone, just switch the form. The base is an invisible 10. So I'm going to write base 10. Log means find the exponent. So there's our exponent. So base 10 exponent negative 0.5 equals our value of x. All right, and now it's just a matter of doing that on the calculator. All right, so it's going to type 10 to the negative 0.5 on the calculator. Okay, so it's 10 hat negative 0.5. Okay, and then rounding it to 2 decimal places, it's 0.32. That's our answer. Okay, and if this answer freaks you out or you're not sure, you can always put it in, right? Type 2 times log of our answer and see if we get negative 1. Right, so if we want to check, I can just do 2 times log of our answer and see if that gets us the negative 1 that we thought it would. Okay, so on that last step there, I'm just verifying that our answer for x works. Gives us negative 1. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.